ready to bridge Morocco to the world with seamless international money transfers and currency exchange. Then, let's get your Wise account set up step by step. First, head over to the Wise website or download their mobile app Circumflex Euros. Both are fantastic for this process. Look for the Sign Up or Get a Wise Account button and click it to begin. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure it's a strong, unique password to protect your account. Once you've filled those in, click Next or Continue. Next, Wise needs a few personal details. You'll enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and select your nationality. This is standard procedure for financial services, ensuring security and compliance. Now, let's add your address. Please enter your full residential address, including your street, city, and postal code. Accuracy here is important for verification. To complete your account setup and unlock full Wise features, you'll need to verify your identity. Wise typically requires a government-issued ID, like your national ID card or passport, and sometimes proof of address, such as a utility bill. Upload clear, scanned copies of these documents as instructed. Wise will review your documents. This process usually takes a short while, and you'll be notified by email or within the app once your account is verified and activated, typically within 1 to 2 business days. Once verified, you'll have access to a world of features. You can open borderless multi-currency accounts, receive money like a local in many countries, and send money internationally at fair exchange rates, all from your Wise dashboard. Managing your money across borders has never been easier or more affordable. With your verified Wise account in Morocco, you're all set to connect with the global economy.